My name is Thomas Callahan, and I build bikes for Horse Cycles in Brooklyn, New York. This year at the ENVE show, we're displaying the first Thai bike we've built in the shop. This bike was built for a good friend who has a few other bikes of ours who wanted a large tire capacity bike packing rig for Northeast Catskills, Green Mountains, Vermont, Adirondacks, and he needed tire clearance for 2.6, 27.5, and he wanted something lightweight to compensate for some of the load he would be carrying on bike packing trips. So this model is based off of the All-Road Adventure stainless steel bike that we showed at the ENVE build around of last year. And we're just doing it in the new material Thai. Kind of starting out from the front, we're using a machined tapered head tube, which is just a bit lighter than the straight 44, and I think looks really great on smaller bikes. We kind of just did a brushed finish, and Ben Falcon, who works heading up the paint department at Horse Cycles Paint, did kind of like a multi-surface finish logo with kind of a blasted drop shadow and a polished primary logo for the head tube, badge, and the down tube. We've got 3 sets of water bottle mounts, under down tube water bottle mounts, oversized T47 bottom bracket, S-bent chainstays and seat stays, again for clearance for 650B by 2.6. Running the new Rene Herse tires, which are pretty sweet, and super excited to see how those roll. He wanted to go with a mechanical flat mount disc brake, just so when he is in remote areas he has an easy fix and can carry an extra cable. Stephen Lukowski, who is going to be riding this bike, will also be taking it internationally from time to time, and specifically has a trip booked to Mongolia for a week-long, I'm sure, muddy adventure. All in all, we're super stoked about this bike, and we're really excited to present it and show it at the ENVE show. Just want to say thanks a lot to ENVE and all the other builders. All right, signing off. Bye.